Robotic process automation is a software technology that anyone can use to automate digital tasks. Automation Anywhere is one of the top RPA platforms that allows business to automate the process. Hey everyone, I welcome you all to this video. In this video, we will learn about installation of Automation Anywhere Community Edition. Let's look at today's agenda. First, we will start with the prerequisites of installing Automation Anywhere. Then we will look at the features of Automation Anywhere Community Edition. And we will proceed with installing the software. Finally, we will build our first bot in the Automation Anywhere Community Edition. But before we begin, make sure you have subscribed to our YouTube channel and clicked on the bell icon so you never miss an update from Simplilearn. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. Prerequisite: Enterprise Control Room requires a server-level machine to be installed. The server can be a physical machine in your data center or a cloud platform instance. Cloud platforms like Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud Platform, and Microsoft Azure. The device should have a processor of 8-core Intel Xeon processor. It should have storage disk space of at least 500 GB and network of 1 gigabit Ethernet. It is recommended that you configure the Enterprise Control Room network bandwidth to be greater than 1 gigabit Ethernet, because uplink traffic can quickly exceed 1 gigabit Ethernet depending on the complexity of the automation run. Operating System: Automation Anywhere is compatible with the operating systems such as Windows 10, Windows Server 2012, Windows Server 2016, and Windows Server 2019. Automation Anywhere supports both 32-bit and 64-bit operating system versions. Finally, the system should have a RAM of 16 GB. Let's look at the features of the Community Edition. Students and developers can use the Automation 360 Cloud platform for free with the Community Edition. It is completely web-based. You can build a RPA bot in the cloud from any device thanks to a completely web-based experience that requires no download. Utilize the cloud to gain access to cutting-edge enterprise-class technology. The most recent enterprise-class technology. Community Edition will allow you to stay up to date with the latest version of our enterprise platform. AI drag and drop. With direct IQ-bot integration, you can automate your document-centric process. Drag and drop simplicity with instance on ease of use. Create bots at any skill level. Create bots using no code, low code, or bring your own code options. Begin by using free bots. Use pre-built bots for personal productivity, business continuity, and other purposes. Let's look at the installation of Community Edition. Let's go to the browser. Go to the Automation Anywhere official website, automationanywhere.com. After going to the website, scroll down. Here you can see Community Edition. Click on Community Edition. To download the Community Edition free, fill out the form, fill all the necessary details, and click on Get Free Community Edition. Once you fill in all the details and click on Get Free Community Edition, you will receive an email. So you will receive an email. The email consists of a control room URL, a username, and password. So open this control room URL. Once you click on the control room link, a username, password, a login page appears where you need to enter the username and password. So enter the username and password which you have received in the mail and log in. Unlike other editions, in Community Edition there will be no client option. You can develop the bots on the cloud. Let us build our first bot. Let us go to the control room. So we'll build our first bot. So the first step, under the robotic process automation, click on create a bot. So enter the name, say first bot. Enter the name and click on create and edit. So you can see the first bot is successfully created. Now search for the message box here. Double click on the message box to add it in the workflow. So enter the message here. Enter the message which you want to be displayed. So let us enter, say, hello, how are you? So we have entered this message. After entering the message, click on Save button, and after saving, click on Run. It's downloading the dependencies. Here you can see the message is being displayed. Hello, how are you? When you do it for the first time, when you click on the Run button, a pop-up will appear to connect to my computer. Then a file will get downloaded. The file is to install a bot agent. The bot will get connected to the control room. Then there will be an option to enable extension to the Chrome. After doing all that, finally the bot is ready to display the message. So here you can see the message is being displayed. So with that, we have reached the end of this video. Like and share it if you found it interesting. Thank you for being here. Keep learning and stay tuned to Simply Learn.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simply Learn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.